what's happening here is reclaiming the tropical rainforest that was destroyed a couple of years ago by greedy individual selfish businessmen. His Excellency Professor Gilbert Bukenya, long serving Vice President of Uganda, former and now the Senior Presidential Advisor on Environment, has come down to this area of Nonve in Kakiri, Wakiso district to reclaim this forest. What the businessmen are doing and what you can see in the background are Caliptus trees that scientifically in Australia, after 30 years, they were uprooted because they were draining the soil. They cut these things and then they take them to business Chinese people who eventually sell them. So the National Forest Authority, the National Environmental Management Authority, the Ministry of Lands, the commissions here have answers that they're supposed to explain. Heal the Planet Global Organization is joining this campaign because we want to reclaim these forests back, the rain tropical forests with indigenous trees. My name is Chivumbi Ernest Benjamin.